The Baker's Signs journey began in 1985 with a family dream to create a sign company that would stand the test of time. It began with a single service truck and a repurposed barn. Baker's Signs has since grown into a multi-million-dollar full-service sign and lighting company, helping businesses nationwide with their sign and lighting needs.
I graduated from the University of Minnesota. Shortly after, I came to Houston, Texas. I worked for this sign company for about 5 years. I decided to go out on my own in 1985 to make the sign industry a better place, a place with better recognition, a better place to work. I set my goals with Baker's Signs to be the best sign company in Houston. It wasn't long, we achieved to be the best sign company in Houston.
The sign industry has a long-standing tradition within our family. There's currently 3 generations that are involved within the family business. The company as a whole has evolved greatly since that time. We were traditionally a repair maintenance company as well as an installation company for that of other sign companies. Since then, we have become a one-stop sign shop, and we have the ability of handling all aspects of electric signage, from conceptual design through engineering, manufacturing, installation, etc.
Baker's Signs owns one of the largest sign facilities in the U.S., with over 50,000 square feet of shop and office space. Since purchasing the 35-plus acre property in 2010, Baker's continues to add new shop space and the latest in technology and equipment. Our fleet of service and crane trucks has become the largest in the U.S. and continues to grow.
Throughout the years, our customers' needs have pushed us out to expand a little bit further, and that's actually nationwide. That's one of the benefits about us, is the relationships that we've made by going nationally, and all of the subs that we have. There's really no project that is without of our reach to get done for our customers.
I strongly believe we have one of the best production departments in the industry. As of right now, we've already added on a few years ago, and we're in the process of adding on a bigger shop because we're outgrowing due to the high demand of signs we build. No sign is too big or too small. No sign is too hard to build. If a client asks for a sign, we have a production team, we have a design team that can make that sign come to life.
The team at Baker's Signs is comprised of seasoned experts with a wealth of knowledge and experience from the sign industry. Our design department has over 50 years of combined experience and provides award-winning design services to our customers. We're able to design and engineer signs of any size and scope.
I think one of the things that's so fascinating about signs is that ever since there was a business or a product that was intended for sale, there was probably a sign representing that. And as far back as it goes, really is incredible, because you've seen a lot of things change, the method, the technology, the applications, but the fundamentals really haven't changed. The fact that you're conveying a message, a vision, an idea. You're trying to touch other people's emotions, thoughts, needs, wants, and also a work of art to where it's dynamic and attractive, and it's a true representation of your company's ideals and passions.
2 of the most critical stages in a project are permitting and project management. Cities, municipalities, and developers are constantly creating new restraints on business signs. Whether a simple permit submission or a complicated code variance, our permitting team has the experience and persistence to get the job done. The same holds true for our project managers and support staff. Communication is critical in any project and important in giving our customers peace of mind throughout the process. Our team knows their business and will ensure your project runs smoothly.
It is Baker's continued beliefs, motivations, wants, and determinations to not losing focus of our core values that gave us the ability to stand the test of time and get us as a company collectively of where we're at today. The determination to take the risk, to put our best foot forward in terms of leading the pack mentality within creating a sustainable industry, long-term sustainable industry for that, not only our company, but for that of other companies in generations to come.
Utilizing the latest technology and methods, Baker's Signs can create anything your imagination can dream up. No sign is too big or too small for our veteran team of fabricators, operators, and painters. Our production departments include vinyl, print, routing, fabrication, paint, lighting, and assembly. Our production departments run 12 hours a day, 7 days a week to ensure we produce the highest quality signs with the quickest turnaround possible. We back every sign with a comprehensive warranty and the intent to deliver a sign that will last. In the beginning, Baker's Signs was a sign service company, and to this day, sign installation and service remains a large part of our business, assisting other sign companies with installation, installing signs we manufacture in-house, and ongoing service for all our customers is what keeps us thriving. No matter what type of business you are, you can count on Baker's Signs to quickly and efficiently get the job done. Our licensed sign and electrical technicians are some of the best in the business, and you can rest assured you are in good hands.
Baker's is excited about where we are today as a company. We look forward to what the future has in store, and we also thank you for your interest in checking us out as a company, and we look forward to working with you.